What is that?
Are you guys cold? Do you want a fireball? We do these in barns, and literally people get up from their blankets and start running. We should probably warn people, so that's why I'm warning you. So this is going to be a little bit loud and a little bit hot. Loud and a little bit hot. Oh, sorry, we only have one. Hey, come to Barnes 4th of July. That's our big 4th of July show, Barnes. We have a lot of fireballs. So, thank you everybody for coming. We love having you guys here every year. You guys are great. Go check out the store. Ask us any questions. Watch the videos. If you have any questions with how we light the show, again, there's a stack on the table. It has all the items that we shot off out here for the show. If you want to download the music, it's an Andy Grammer song. You can just pull it up on YouTube, hook your phone up to your truck speakers and open up the door, coordinate with your friends, get some torches, and you can do a